Welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Today I talk about 5 different ways in which you can sterilize your fish nets. Making them safe, using them on a daily basis. Okay, number one way in which you can actually sterilize your fish nets is by having a bucket of water with some vinegar in it. Right? You would actually place the water, place some amount of vinegar in it, the water, and then you actually soak the vinegar, and then you will soak the fish nets in the vinegar for a good 5 to 10 minutes, right? Then you'll be good as far as sterilization is concerned. Another way in which you can actually sterilize your fish nets is by using warm water. Right, you can actually warm some water, not boil, warm some water, actually place into a bucket, and then you practically put the nets in it for a short period of time, not a long period of time, because if you put it in a long period of time, what will happen is that after a while the net itself will actually deteriorate. So it's like a dip thing, right? So you dip it in for less than 2 minutes and you can remove it, and that will be okay. Another way in which you can actually sterilize your fish net, very easy, very simple, is by actually using them. After you use them, you actually find a place in your yard where the sun is the hottest. Then now you will place your fish nets. More than likely, you put a stone on probably the handle so that the breeze don't blow it away, like I just try to do with mine, right? And you place it there for, let's say you're not using it for today, or you're not using it for the half of the day. You place it in the sun, and that will be good. A simple way in which you can also use to sterilize your net is by using salt. Now, soaking your fish nets in a combination of aquarium salt, coarse salt, and garlic is a very excellent way of actually sterilizing your fish nets, going through, you use it on a regular basis. And finally, the final way in which you can actually attempt to sterilize your fish net is by actually using store chemicals. Right? There are several chemicals in which you can use so as to sterilize your net, so as for example, hydrogen peroxide. Right, sold within the pet store or the farm store. You can just place it on your net, but you have to be very careful. You have to actually dilute it, because after a while what will happen is that it will actually deteriorate your fish net. Now, this is just 5 tips in which I just shared with you with regard to how you can actually sterilize your fish nets on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, depending on how your takes and likes. Some persons actually have some water with some medication in it, something in it, chemicals in it, in which after they finish using their fish nets, they actually place it in there. But for me, doing that, what will happen is that after a while, the material that actually makes the net will deteriorate, so therefore I will have a shorter period of time to actually use the fish nets. So I prefer when they are dried, dip them into these different things in which I've shared with you, right? That should be okay, right? Remember, you don't want your nets to deteriorate so quickly, because the nets are mostly made up of material, cloth material. Some might be made up of stronger material than some. However, the chemicals such as hydrogen peroxide can actually deteriorate your fish net. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have an awesome day right here. Peace. Now I am going to sort out my nets. Bye.